Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Another day in Canada, day 7, day 8, not too sure, but our first proper day in Calgary. And to be honest, we're not planning on doing a whole lot today. So of course we are in Alberta, so we are surrounded by mountains, lakes, wildlife basically. There's not a lot of people around here. So in our time here we are going to be doing a whole lot of nature, but today, like I said, we're not going to be doing a whole lot. We are going to a ice hockey game tonight, the Calgary Flames, so that should be some good fun. But we both feel pretty tired. Obviously we had a flight yesterday, we had a just over an hour drive here, and we're just sort of finding our bearings at the moment, to be honest. We've had breakfast. We're just cooking up some fajitas at the moment, and yeah, we're going to have some lunch, and then we may take a stroll outside. Yeah, I guess we'll just have to wait and see what today brings. Lunch is served. Okay, so of course we are outside now. The resort where we're staying, that is just behind us over there. We're just taking a little walk out just to kind of see what's around us, but yeah, I've noticed that we are literally surrounded by, you know, mountains everywhere, and we must be right in the middle of them. It's so nice. But yeah, we'll just take a walk down this path, see if we see anything half interesting. Okay, so we just walked down this small trail, and as you can see behind me, we found a lake. We didn't even know this was here, to be honest. Just walked through that wood, and yeah, here we are. Literally nobody else here. So that lake, we didn't even know was here. It's literally like a 5-minute walk from the accommodation, and we're actually walking back through a wood now. It's literally off that trail that you saw earlier, and yeah, there's nobody else here. There was just a barking dog in the background, so I guess it's kind of a popular walking spot to take your dog. But yeah, so honestly, so nice around here. We haven't even had to walk far to, you know, find a nice spot. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely look forward to spending some time outdoors here. This place is honestly like Narnia. Doesn't it just remind you of Narnia?
Yeah, but Narnia used to scare me. I didn't
Why?
like that man that was half man, half horse.
So this is the wood that we was walking through. Very nice, very nice. Full of pine trees, I think.
It reminds us of the great escape trees.
Yeah,
in
in Poland, yeah.
There's like a bird that keeps making like a sound.
A what?
It's scaring the
A what
crap,
sound?
like a sound, and it's scaring the crap out of us. Everything I hear, I'm just like this. Like a leaf can't go on the ground without us being like scared.
You're determined to see a bear, aren't you?
I don't want to see a bear.
You do.
I'm just scared.
So I'm guessing this is kind of like a dried up river. Maybe a waterfall somewhere has frozen up. As you can see, there's nothing here at the moment. Okay then guys, so back on the road again then. We are heading back to Calgary. Like I mentioned earlier, we are going to an ice hockey game. It is the Calgary Flames, I believe, versus Los Angeles something or other. It's the Los Angeles team anyway. That is at 7 o'clock start, and we should be there about 6:30, so it should be plenty of time. But yeah, honestly, just going to enjoy this drive, try and take in the scenery. And if I had to compare this place to, you know, one that's quite close to home, I would have to say it's very similar to Scotland. Maybe slightly more snow, than what you'd expect in Scotland, but the scenery honestly is very, very similar, and I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so the game finished. Calgary Flames 2, Los Angeles Kings 3 in the end. So it was 1-0 to the Los Angeles Kings, and then Calgary Flames brought it back to 1-1, and then they went 2-1 up, and then Los Angeles Kings then equalised to make it 2-2. Then went to overtime, where they only have 3 outfield players each, and then after that it was still a tie, so it went to penalties, which is not what you would expect. Essentially they just run from the centre line and they basically get a free shot on goal, but yeah, anyway, Los Angeles Kings ended up winning. But overall it was a good game. I also got a free t-shirt as well. It's one of those things where they kind of just go up to the crowd and you wave your arms around and you get a free t-shirt. I did actually think it was like a proper jersey, but it's not. It's just like a t-shirt. But it's a nice little memento, nice little reminder of our time here in Calgary. But yeah, I think we need to eat now. I don't really know what's going to be open. I was hoping like a KFC or something like that, but it's like after 10 PM now, so we're gonna have to try and find a 24-hour diner, I suppose. Let's go. Okay, so turns out that pretty much every single restaurant in Calgary is closed, so we just came straight back home, and now this is what I'm eating. Good old-fashioned beans on toast. Can never go wrong with that. Okay then, so I'm not going to let this video go on any longer than it should. I am absolutely shattered. Another day done here in Canada. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.